Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix black screen on Vortex phone. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Vortex phone here and it's stuck in a black screen, well in this case most likely your phone is currently experiencing a glitch. So it's stuck in a very specific state here, which in this case you need to hard restart your phone. Now, to do that, first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and basically unplug your phone. So make sure that it's not connected to any charger. You don't have anything connected on it. Now, what you need to do is you want to look for the power button at the left side here, as well as the volume down button. Now, what you need to do is you want to press and hold these two buttons together and keep holding these buttons until the device actually restarts. Now, the restart process should take around 10 to 15 seconds, even a minute, depending on your phone. But yeah, so just go ahead and wait for it to restart, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.